Open the document containing the link to the form, hold the Control key on your keyboard and right-click on this link, or X. Click here, to open the link in your browser. You can even copy this link and paste it into the browser to open it. You may need to sign in to access your Google Drive. If you are not already logged in, when the page loads, click on the Make a Copy button, and a new form will be copied and saved in your Google Drive for free. Editing made easy. Want to modify questions? Just edit the form directly. Click any question to edit text or point values. Use the plus button to add new sections. Drag questions to reorder them. Trash can delete unwanted items. Pro settings tip. Don't forget to toggle collect emails. Under settings, right pointing arrow general, enable response receipts. If needed, set response limits. Under presentation, right pointing arrow restrictions. Step 3. Share analyze, click send to share your form via link or email. When students submit responses, all answers appear in your auto-created spreadsheet. Use data validation to create grading rubrics. Add conditional formatting to highlight incomplete work. Bonus worksheet magic. Need printouts? Includes student info fields and writing lines. Comes with a detachable answer key grid. Fully editable in Word or Docs. Why you'll love this. Saves 2+ hours per quiz creation. No coding required. 100% useful for teachers, students and parents. Ready to revolutionize your assessments? Try it now using the link below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more time-saving teacher tools.